So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to clear Kodi cache, library and data, speed up and fix playback issue. So step 1 is clear Kodi cache, safe and temporary. On Android TV or Fire TV, go to your device home screen, navigate to setting, then applications. Select manage installed application and click on Kodi. Select clear cache. Using a maintenance add-on, install a maintenance wizard like OpenWizard or Indigo from your official Kodi repo or a trusted source. Open the wizard and navigate to the maintenance or tools section. Clear, clear cache. Then step 2 is clean and clear Kodi library. From the Kodi home screen, access settings. Then change settings level to expert in the bottom left corner. Navigate to the library tab. Under the video section, select clean library. Confirm the action by selecting yes. Third step is clear Kodi data. On Android TV or Fire TV, navigate to setting, select application, choose manage installation application, locate and select Kodi. Click on clear data and confirm the action. Launch Kodi to access a blank day 1 default screen. On Windows, close Kodi entirely. Type %app data %/Kodi into your computer search bar and open the folder. Delete the database and thumbnails folder. Restart Kodi to rebuild them automatically. Step 4 is advanced maintenance. Thumbnails. Cached thumbnail can accumulate and consume significant storage over time. Access the file manager in Kodi to manage file. Add a new source pointing to special /home/user data/thumbnails/. Manually delete the content of thumbnails folder. Alternatively, use a maintenance wizard add-on to safety purge unused thumbnail. Thanks for watching.